technology. Learning topics are output primitives like line, polygon, markers, text. And second topic is graphics function and standards. Now what is output primitives? Computer graphics are made up of the most of basic components of computer graphics that are called graphics output primitives or simply the primitives. The primitives are the simple geometric functions that are used to generate various computer graphics required by the user. Some most basic output primitives are point, position, straight line, however the different rectangle, circle, polygon and text. Primitives can be manipulated by the specifying appropriate attribute. आउटपुट primitives का ये मतलब है कि primitives यूज करके हम कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स के ज्योमेट्रिक फंक्शन प्रोग्राम के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. तो सम बेसिक आउटपुट primitives है लाइक पॉइंट, स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड उसे यूज करके हम लोग रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल, पॉलीगॉन, टेक्स्ट ये फंक्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. और अगर इन प्रिमिटिव को मैनिपुलेट करना है, मीन्स चेंज करना है, तो एट्रीब्यूट्स भी है जिनसे हम लोग उनके स्टाइल, फॉन्ट साइज, उनके कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ आउटपुट primitives. फर्स्ट इज point. By using point, we draw a single pixel on monitor screen at the specific position. And the attributes are size and color. Size means any size, numbering, any number 1, 2, 3. And color is any number like red, green, yellow. Next one is a line. By using line, we draw a straight line between a pixels. And attribute is width, style and color. Width same like the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Style like solid, dotted, dash. And color like green, yellow, red. Next one is a polygon. Polygon is draw by joining the vertices in a sequence. For example, as a triangle, square, rectangle are the polygons. And the attributes are style, color and fill color. Here also the style like solid, square, dots, hash, color like red color, yellow color and fill color means in polygon you can fill any color. Marker similar to the polygon function only, but the border with the specified marker style. Attribute is style and size. In style, you can use the star, hash, dollar to specify a boundary and size like 10, 15, 20, etc. Text which is display the text or string at a specified position on a screen. An attribute like a color, style, size, font. Color like red, green, yellow. Style is bold, italic, underline. Then size is any number like 20, 40, 24, and font like Times, Calibri, etc. For taking an example of MS Office, in MS Office we can use a text and give any color, style, font. Same like here also we can change the text attributes. Next one is a graphics function and standards. There are mainly two types of graphic software. First one is a general programming package and second one is a special purpose application package. So first, general programming package. They are like programming language. They contain a rich set of a graphic function such as the graphic package allow to draw some primitives, fill the color, send the intensity, apply the transformation. And an example as a graphics library, that is GL. Second one is a special purpose application program. Applications graphics package are designed for non-programmer, so user can create required graphics without worrying about the underlying concept. The interface to the graphics routine in such package allowed to user to communicate with the programmer in their own terms. Example of such application package are Paint, CAD, etc. Such package often provide a set of drag and a drop component which free to user from writing a codes for the basic building blocks. Next one is graphic standards. There are two different graphic standards. So software standards goal are of standardized graphic software is portability so that it can be used in any hardware and a system and avoid rewriting of software program for different system. And first one is a graphical kernel system and second one is a PHIGS software. In GKS, we can design two-dimensional graphics and later the extension was developed for three-dimensional. This system was adopted as a first graphic software standard by International Standard Organization, that is ISO, and various national standardized organization including the NSI. Second one is a PHIGS, that is Programmer Hierarchical Interactive Graphics Standard. Its extension was the GKS. It increase the capability of object modeling, color specification, surface rendering, and the picture manipulation are provided in PHIGS. PHIGS Plus was extension of PHIGS and it provides three-dimensional surface shading capability. Next one is graphic function. Some graphic function in computer graphics are put pixel and get pixel, set color and set B color, line function, circle function, ellipse function, rectangle function, set text style function and out text function. So first we discuss what is put pixel function and get pixel function. putPixel function plots the pixel at the location, and syntax is int getPixel in bracket int x comma int y close the bracket and semicolon, and void putPixel in bracket int x comma int y comma int color. So the getPixel returns the color of the pixel present at a point x and y coordinate, and putPixel plot a pixel at a point x comma y of specified color. Graphic function second one is setColor. So setColor function changes a color drawing. Okay, you can give the any color, and syntax is void setColor in bracket int color close the bracket, give the semicolon. Next one is a line function. Line function is used to draw a straight line from point 1 to point 2, that is x coordinate and a y coordinate. So in x coordinate, first point is a x1 comma y1, and second point in x coordinate and y coordinate is x2 and y2. So the syntax is show void line in bracket int x1 comma int y1 comma int x2 comma int y2 close the bracket, give the semicolon. As we see in the image, example, line open the bracket 0 comma 0 comma 640 comma 480 and close the bracket and give the semicolon. For x1 value is equal to 0, y1 value is 0, x2 value is 640 and y2 value is 480. So first point is in x coordinate and y coordinate, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, and second point is x coordinate and y coordinate, x2 is 640 and y2 is 480. So between these two points, one straight line are drawn. Next point is a graphic function, circle function. So circle function is used to draw a circle with the center x and y, and third parameter is specify the radius of the circle, and the syntax used is void circle in a bracket int x comma int y comma int radius close the bracket and give the semicolon, and see the example of it in an image. Circle bracket 320 comma 240 comma 50 close the bracket and give the semicolon. 320 is x value, for y is 240 and 50 is a radius. By using this, the circle is drawn. Next one is a ellipse function. So ellipse is used to draw an ellipse. X and y are coordinates of a center of the ellipse. Triangle is the straight angle. End angle is a ending angle. And fifth and sixth parameters specify the x and y radius of the ellipse. So syntax is void ellipse open the bracket int x comma int y int starting angle comma int ending angle comma int x radius comma int y radius. So in an ellipse you have to take 6 parameters value. So as an example, ellipse 320, 240, 0, 270, 100, 50. So first two value is for x and y. Second one is a starting angle and ending angle, that is 0 and 270, and 150 is a x radius and a y radius. Last one is rectangle function. By using this function, we draw the rectangle and the coordinates of left top and right bottoms are used for this rectangle. So syntax is void rectangle in bracket int left comma int top comma int right comma int bottom, and close the bracket and give the semicolon. See the example: rectangle 10 comma 10 comma 200 comma 200, and close the bracket and give the semicolon. So left and top value is 10 10, and right and bottom value is 200 and 200. Then out text. By using the out text function, display a text at the current position, and syntax is void out text in bracket char string, and close the bracket and give the semicolon. So next, see one example of CGR program. For CGR program, we are using the C programming language. Here for computer graphics. So for graphics, we are use a graphics header file. So let's start with a program. Hash include graphics.h. You also write down hash include conio.h and hash include stdio.h. Then void main, open the curly brace, int dr is equal to detect, comma md. Now dr is here is driver type, graphics driver type, and md is graphics mode. Next one is a initiate graph. Open the bracket, address of dr comma address of md, and c colon tc and dig. It is a path of graphics driver. In next line, line function are used and 4 values are given: 0 0 for draw the line, then get ch function are used, and you have to close the graph function by using close graph function, and close the program by end curly brace. So what is this initiate graph function? Let's see. The initiate graph function takes the 3 arguments. It is used to switch the output from text mode to graphics mode. So you have to write down initiate in it graph, then address of dr. Dr means graphic driver type, address of md. It is mean initial graphics mode, and we are using a C programming. That's why the path is C colon TCDIG. That is directory path of graphics driver. Now let's see what is a directory path of graphics driver. The third argument of initiate graph is path name for the graphics driver. This driver is a file like CGA and BGI or EGA VGA.BGI. Now CGA.BGI file is used to run programs in CGA modes, and EGA VGA.BGI file is used to run a program in EGA or VGA modes. In the current version of Turbo C, these driver files are located in the subdirectory, that is TC and BGI. So this is the path name used to the arguments to the initiate graph function.